Picture this: the vast cosmos forming before your eyes, galaxies igniting, stars bursting into existence, and our Earth emerging from the void, rivers flowing, forests growing, life breathing its first breath. This is the voice of the Creator speaking.
Thus says God, the Lord, who created the heavens and stretched them out, who spread out the earth and what comes from it, who gives breath to the people on it, and spirit to those who walk in it.
But the story does not end with creation. In a quiet, windswept valley stands a lone figure, the servant, and God's voice echoes again.
I am the Lord. I have called you in righteousness. I will take you by the hand and keep you.
Imagine divine light enveloping this servant, not consuming, but empowering.
I will give you as a covenant for the people, a light for the nations.
With every step the servant takes, darkness gives way to light. People from every nation turn toward this beacon of hope. The mission becomes clear.
To open the eyes that are blind, to bring out the prisoners from the dungeon, from the prison those who sit in darkness.
Picture prison gates falling away, blindfolds removed, dungeons filled with light, people walking free across a vast plain, following the humble servant as the sun rises behind them. This is the story of divine purpose, light conquering darkness, freedom replacing captivity.